Gonda wine fermentation tank. High-quality double-layer stainless steel. Maintain internal pressure balance. Precise filtration effectively traps impurities. Improve the quality of liquor. Spray cooling water into the tank. Maintain suitable fermentation temperature. Increase the design of wine outlet. Convenient for subsequent processing. Operation process display. Precise temp control uniform fermentation. Log aroma and taste to improve wine quality. Fast stirring speed. Widely used in large-scale wine production. Achieve separation of pulp and juice. Wide range of applications.